Hello reception class, here is a little video to explain our English for today. For today's lesson we are going to be working on the book and the same book as yesterday, If I Had a Dinosaur. You will need for today's lesson your two sound mat, your phase 2 and phase 3 one, and you will also need a blank piece of paper or your book, your exercise book to write in. Right, your challenge today, reception class, is to have a listen to the story If I Had a Dinosaur. As you are listening to the story, I want you to try and remember 3 of the different things that the girl says she would like to do if she had a dinosaur. Then, after you have finished, I would like you to draw a picture of those 3 things. And for an extra challenge, you could also try and label each of your pictures, or if you want an even bigger challenge, write a sentence about each of your pictures. So if you go on YouTube, then you can watch the video of me reading the story If I Had a Dinosaur. The link is just at the bottom there, and I've also posted that link on Seesaw for you. And just to give you a little idea, here is my piece of work. So I had listened to the story and I remembered that she would like to take a dinosaur to the park, to school, and she'd like to make a dino flat for it. So I've drawn those 3 pictures and labelled each of mine. But you don't have to do the same ones as me. Try and remember maybe 3 different ones. Okay, that's just to give you an idea of what your work should look like. Thank you. And if you do have a go, please send in photos reception class. I would love to see.